In this course, I would like us to explore topics, but we are going to start from the origin of marketing. We are going to start from the traditional point of view of marketing to the contemporary point of view of marketing. This is because I want us to gain the knowledge from the base, so that we will have a full understanding of what marketing is all about and its own dynamic. We are going to start from the traditional point of view, then we now move to the contemporary point of view. We are going to have a practical approach because it's going to be purely academics. We are going to explore 50 different types of marketing so that we have a full understanding of what marketing is all about. We are going to explore 50 types of marketing and their own strategies, their trends, and of course the practical aspect of it. You see, what I'm saying in the introductory video is that each topic we are going to explore, we are going to look at the practicality of it. The practical aspect is what will give us more light to understanding what marketing is all about. So take, for example, an overview of 4 P's of marketing, or otherwise known as marketing mix. Focuses on transactional relationship between the buyers and the sellers. So when you look at this transactional relationship, that is what will make you to understand that the 4 P's are the cornerstone, or the basics, or the mixes that makes up what is known as marketing today. If you look at the 7 P's, they are changing time to time. That is why we said marketing is dynamic. We have the 7 P's of marketing. Apart from the 4 P's, we have the 7 P's. Then we have the 14 P's. And now we are having almost 17 P's of marketing. So we are going to touch each and every one of them and see and understand something from the concept so that we will apply it in a real life situation. Take, for example, if you take an example of a producer of bread who produce bread maybe at the cost of $1,000. Now, this money he spent is the cost of production. When you look at the cost of production, the total of what he spent, he needs a profit. So the profit is going to give him an encouragement to go more and more into the marketplace so that he will make marketing so effective, so that he understands the trends and of course the movement of the products in the market. So we have the 4 P's of marketing. We have the P1, P2, P3, P4. So the first P is the products. When you look at the product, it's anything that is offered for sale for the consumer. So when you look at the second P is attached to the first P, because the first P is the foundation. Without product, you cannot go into the marketplace. So when you produce a product, you are ready to go into the marketplace. You have to do what? You have to attach a price to that particular goods. So when you attach your own price, how do you attach the price? You produce maybe at 1,000 naira. you produce maybe 100 bread. 100 bread, if you divide it by 1,000, it will give you maybe 10. If it gives you 10, then obviously you have to understand that you have to add your own profit. And this profit is going to encourage more startups to go into the marketplace. Then the second P is the price. The third P is the placement. The fourth P is the promotion. So all this, we are going to go into them and understand them very well so that we will apply them in real life situation.